Hello and welcome to Vietnam. I'm over here for a couple of weeks, and this is part of a 2-day tour I've taken. Some really interesting demonstrations. Popped rice here is one of them.
Popped rice. We don't. Yes, we have popcorn, but we prefer popped rice. I'll show you popped rice. All right. See, the black one here, sand. Sand. If you do it so many times, it's gonna be like this. It turns to black. All right. Okay. We have sand to keep the warm, and then we're gonna put camera. Camera, everyone. We're gonna put popped rice in it. Okay. Camera, everyone. Ready? Go. Okay. And then it's gonna pop. Very easy. And then you have popped rice, the shell of rice, and sand. You separate it. See? You shake it. First step. Second step. Separate it again. And this time, the skin and popped rice. Alright? Very easy. And then you have popped rice. Come on, everybody, follow me.
Yeah, I can see.
The flavor of ginger.
Yes.
Alright, see? And then you see something here. I have a knife. Cut. Knife. Cut. Yeah, it smells good, I know. Snake liquor. Wait a second. You see?
Snake liquor.
Now you meet my unlucky friend. He's been here more than 2 years.
2 years, snake liquor.
Yeah. Alright, see my friend here? You will see a cut from the head to the tail. Am I right? Alright, my girl, come here. I'll show you. This is rice paper. Rice paper. When you come here, you will see something like rolling. We have spring rolls. Am I right? So this is how they make it. Rice paper. See? Here. The milk from the rice. We squeeze it. We squeeze the rice to have this one. And then here. The skin, the shell of rice. We use it for burning. Alright? Right, and then you open it, you try to take it out. See? See? Alright, it's not easy. It's not easy. Alright, this one for rolling. Alright, but this one for eating. Still rice paper, but we put coconut flavor into rice paper. Okay, please enjoy it. Enjoy it, everyone, enjoy it.
45% rice liquor. Whether you like it or not.
You know what? You cannot say no, thank you for me, to me, okay? You say yes, why not? Okay? I need a model. I need a real model.
That would be a female then.
Alright? Come on, I need a model. Okay, my friend, just turn around.
Backpack off?
No, you don't need to do it.
Is that a python? What type of snake?
Python.
Yeah,
Are they found here in the Mekong?
Yeah.
Do these ones bite like Australian snakes?
No. Alright. See, it's easy.
They feel nice. Not what you expect.
Good, right? You feel good.
You want to keep it as a bait.
That is just a little bit what we saw on 2-day tour on the Mekong River. Thanks for watching. Please like, please share the video, please subscribe. Safe travels to you all wherever you're at, and we'll see you next time.